Hello, welcome. Stay with me until the end of this video that I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Folifort before you actually go and buy the product. Look, I have two really very important warnings that you need to know urgently about Folifort, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you in this video. The first thing you need to know about Folifort is you have to be very careful with website where you are going to buy Folifort. Do not buy from third-party sales sites like Amazon or Facebook groups or WhatsApp, among others. Because you run a serious risk of getting a counterfeit product, lose your money and damage your health. Folifort is only sold on the official website. I'll tell you what, to help you, I'll leave the link to the product's official website right below the description of this video. So, you must be asking yourself, does Folifort really work? And the answer is yes, Folifort works, and there are several testimonials from people who used the product and had results. However, you have to keep in mind that each organism reacts in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I say this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. Folifort product, and sourced from natural ingredients and non-GMO crops, our scientifically sound formula contains only ingredients proven to support healthy hair growth by promoting natural follicle regeneration, such as. The second warning I have to give you regarding Folifort: you have a 60-day guarantee to test out Folifort, and if you don't see results, and don't like it for any reason, they will refund your money. Plus, for Folifort to work, you have to take the treatment seriously. Simply take 2 capsules every day after eating your evening meal with a glass of water. Do not double your dose if you miss a day. Instead, keep taking 2 capsules a day until you get the results you want. Don't forget to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else, because everyone's body acts in a very unique or different way, anyway. Remember that I'm leaving the link to the product's official website in the description for you. So that's it, folks. From the bottom of my heart, I really hope that I have taken your doubts in this video. A big hug, see you soon. Translated with www.dpel.com/translator, free version.